Hi everyone, welcome back to another craft kit video. Today we'll be making this mustached chef craft. In your kit, you'll have an example of the craft, a set of written instructions, a large piece of brown paper, a small piece of pink paper, a paper plate, a hat template, and 2 googly eyes. At home, you'll need scissors, glue, and something to draw with. First, we're going to take our brown piece of paper and our drawing tool and trace the shape of our hands onto the paper. We're going to cut these shapes out later, so we don't want them to overlap at all. Next, we're going to use our scissors to carefully cut out our traced hands. I'm going to start by separating the two to make it a little easier to work with the paper. Remember to be careful and safe when handling scissors, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Next, we're going to cut out our hat template. Then we're going to draw a large oval on our pink piece of paper. This is going to be the nose of our chef. Now that we have all of our pieces cut out and ready to glue down, we're going to decide where we want our chef's mustache to sit on the paper plate. We want to make sure that our thumbs are pointing downward. And we don't want the mustache to be too high up on the plate, or we're not going to have room for the nose, eyes, and hat. Once we've decided on a placement, we can apply glue to the back of our hands and firmly glue them onto the paper plate. Next, we're going to apply glue to our chef's nose and glue it at the top of the mustache. Now we're going to decide where we want our chef's eyes to sit. The googly eyes that I had in my kit are stickers, and yours might be too, but if not, you can just apply glue to the back of them and then glue them onto the plate like the other pieces. Finally, we're going to apply glue to the back of the chef hat, just where it's going to be touching the plate. I want my chef's hat to poke out a little bit, like it's sitting on his head. And we're done! I think our chef looks very refined and very professional.